All right, boys and girls, we have been writing so many sentences, but we need a way to help us correct our sentences. So today I brought in my caps paper, and this paper is going to help us correct our sentences. CAPS stands for capitalization, appearance, punctuation, and spelling. I've already written a sentence here. It says, the yellow cat went home. And I'm going to use my CAPS strategy to help me correct my sentence. The very first thing in CAPS is the C. The C stands for capitalization. The first thing I'm going to look at is the first letter capitalized? So I'm going to look at my sentence. My first word is the. Oh, that is a lowercase t. So I need to correct my sentence, correct that T into a capital T. So, capital T. I have my sky, and then I have a straight line that goes down to the middle, or down to the bottom. So now, the first word in my sentence is capitalized. So I'm going to go ahead and check off my box that says, is the first letter capitalized? The second line under capitalization to help me correct my sentence is, are the names of the people, places, or holidays capitalized? Those are all proper nouns. I do not have a proper noun in my sentence, so nothing else needs to be capitalized. Are the months and days of the week capitalized? I do not have that in my sentence. Is the letter I capitalized? I don't have a letter I. I'm looking through no letter I or word I, so I don't have to change that. So I am done with capitalization because I made sure the first word in my sentence has a capital letter. So I'm done with C. So now I move down to A, and A stands for appearance. Appearance. Is your sentence written in a straight line? Well, I see that went is not with cat. I went under my line. So I need to correct that and make it a little higher because I want all of the words in my sentence all in one line. So I need to change that. The yellow cat went home. See how it's in a straight line now? So the yellow cat went home. Now everything's in a straight line. Are there spaces in between each word? Oh, I got to check off. Is your sentence written in a straight line? Yes, it is. Are there spaces in between each word? Did I put a finger space in between each word? Yes. Yes. And I move down. Oh, and that's it. So yes, there are spaces in between each word. Does your sentence make sense? Let's read my sentence again. The yellow cat went home. My sentence makes sense. We can understand that the yellow cat decided to go home. He walked home. So I'm going to put a check. Can you read what you wrote? I can read, and I can tell you all of the letters that are in my sentence. So yes, I can read my word. My sentence. So yes, appearance, done. My sentence looks good. It's the appearance that matters. It's done. Moving down, so I have C, A, now I'm down to P for caps. Punctuation. Do you have the correct punctuation at the end of your sentence? Let's read my sentence. The yellow cat went home. My sentence sounds like a statement, but I have a question mark. So I know that that is not the correct punctuation that is supposed to be at the end of my sentence. So I need to change that to a period because it is just a statement. That's all I am saying. The yellow cat went home. Period. Need to make it clear enough. There we go. Now I can see my period. Now I have the correct punctuation at the end of my sentence. Check. The last letter in caps is S, which is spelling. Are all of the words spelled correctly? Let's see. The, that's one of my sight words, T-H-E. I spelled that one correctly. Yellow. Yellow is one of my color words. And I have the word yellow around the room under the board. So I have yellow, and I'm looking Y-E-L-L-O-W. I dropped my board, silly me. There are all those letters, and they're all there correctly. So I spelled yellow correctly. How about cat? I think I spelled it correctly, but I need to sound it out. Cat. K-at. K-at. K. I have that C. But I have an E here. The E makes the eh sound. But in cat, I hear the ah sound. So I know the E is wrong, but the A makes the ah sound. So I can go ahead and erase that and correct my sentence. At to an A. At cat. Now I have spelled cat correctly. So the yellow cat went. We learned went in our class yesterday, so I know that went is W-E-N-T. Went. And home. Home. That silent E makes that O say his name, that vowel say his name. So I know I spelled home correctly. So now all of the words are spelled correctly in my sentence. So I'm going to go ahead and check it. And I have checked off everything that applies to my sentence. So I have used the CAPS strategy. CAPS, C stands for capitalization. A stands for appearance. P stands for punctuation. And S stands for spelling. Now I'm thinking, why did I use this strategy to help me correct my sentence? Why? Why did I use it? So anyone can come up and read my sentence and know exactly what I wrote. We want everyone to be able to read our sentences, so we have to make sure everything looks right. How? I follow the letters and the word cap to check my sentence. First, I look at what letters need to be capitalized. C, capitalization. Then I look at the appearance or how my sentence looks. Then I look at the punctuation to make sure it is correct. The last thing I look for is my spelling. Are all of the words spelled correctly in my sentence? These 4 things, knowing the CAP strategy and what each letter stands for, it will help me correct my sentence so that everyone can read our sentence.